Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to swap two numbers. We have two approaches for swapping two numbers. Let's see the first approach. So let's start by creating the variables num1 and num2. Num1 equal to int. So here num1 takes input function, input, enter a number. Okay, let me copy this and paste it here. Num2 equal to input function. Okay, so we have given the num1 and num2. Okay, next the next step is we have to print the value of num1 before swapping. Okay, so here I'll be giving num1 and same for num2 as well. Let me copy this and paste it here, num2, and change it to num2. Okay, so now for swapping we have to use the temporary variable. So let's say temp equal to num1. So here let me take an example. Let's say num1 value is 9 and num2 value is 10. Okay, here what does this code mean? Num1 value is assigned to the temp variable. Okay, as per the example what I have assigned here, I have assigned num1 as 9 and num2 as 10. So num1 value is 9. 9 will be assigned to temp variable. Okay, so what will be the temp value now? 9. Okay, num1 equal to num2. Okay, now num2 value will be assigned to num1. Okay, what is the num2 value? It is 10. So 10 will be assigned to num1. So num1 value will be 10. Okay, next num2 equal to temp. Okay, we already know the temp value. What is the temp value? It is 9. So 9 will be assigned to num2. So num2 value will be 9. Okay, so in this way we can do that swapping. So let me print this. Print the value of num1 after swapping, comma num1. Okay, let me copy this for num2 as well. Change the values here, num2 and here num2. Okay, let me save it, and if I run it, it is asking for a number. Let's say 5 and let's say 9. If you can see here, the value of num1 before swapping is 5. Okay, whatever the value I have given, it is displaying here before swapping. Okay, same for 9, it is before swapping. So after swapping, the 9 has replaced num1 and 5 has replaced num2. Okay, you can see it here, the value of num1 after swapping is 9 and num2 after swapping is 5. So in this way we can do using the temporary variable. So other way is, other approaches. Let me comment this out. So here I'm directly declaring the values for the variable. Let's say 40, y equal to let's say 20. Okay, here what I'll do is x comma y equal to y comma x. Okay, so here what I'm doing is x value will be assigned to y and y value will be assigned to x. Okay, so this is very simple example. So let me print this out. Let's say f string. So it's a format string I'm using here. So x is equal to, what is the x value? We have to pass it here. Okay, so print, same way we have to pass the y value. Y equal to y. Okay, if I run it, Let me run this. So if you can see here, x is 20 now and y is 40. So before swapping it was x is equal to 40 and y equal to 20. So after swapping you can see it is 20, x is equal to 20 and y equal to 40. So in this way we can do this swapping of two numbers.